Welcome to the channel that's all about turning your financial dreams into realities. I'm Jeremy Funderburk, your fellow financial explorer, and today we're diving into something seriously exciting. We're going to be talking about the 3 rules that are going to revolutionize your money game. Grab your favorite drink and cozy up because we're about to unlock some golden nuggets of wisdom that go beyond just saving pennies. These rules are your secret sauce for stepping up your financial game and embracing a future that you've always dreamed of. So let's dive in. Rule number 1, live below your means and budget wisely. It all starts with spending less than you earn and creating a strategic budget. By tracking your expenses and prioritizing saving over splurging, you're setting the foundation for financial success. We just have to dive deeper here because the experts absolutely swear by it. This principle is like the cornerstone of your financial fortress. It might sound simple, but it's impactful and profound. Living below your means doesn't mean you have to sacrifice your quality of life. It's about making intentional choices that align with your financial goals. Let's break it down further. Imagine your income as a river of resources flowing in. Now, picture that your expenses as buckets that catches some of that flow. Financial experts stress the importance of ensuring that the buckets don't catch more than the river can provide. Living below your means that your expenses should be comfortably lower than your income. This frees up room for saving, investing, and building wealth. It's like creating a surplus that you can use to fuel your financial goals. Now, let's talk about budgeting wisely. This is where your financial plan comes to life. A budget isn't just a list of numbers, it's your roadmap to financial success. Start by tracking your expenses. Categorize them into essentials like housing, utilities and groceries, and discretionary spending like entertainment and dining out. Set realistic spending limits for each category. You also want to think about prioritizing savings and investments. Living below your means isn't just about cutting back on spending. It's also about prioritizing saving and investing. Financial experts recommend paying yourself first. Allocate a portion of your income to savings accounts, emergency funds, and investments before you even think about discretionary spending. This way, you're ensuring that your financial future is secure and prosperous. And there's a lot of benefits of living below your means. So why is this rule crucial? Well, living below your means brings a plethora of benefits. First, it reduces financial stress. When unexpected expenses arise, you're prepared. Second, it accelerates debt repayment. The surplus you create can be used to pay off debt faster, freeing you from high interest burdens. And third, it supercharges your wealth building journey. The surplus of funds you save and invest compound over time, putting you on the fast track to financial independence. Now, let's tackle rule number 2, diversifying your investments. This is like creating a financial safety net that protects your wealth from market volatility. Financial experts know that putting all your eggs in one basket can be risky. Imagine this rule as your financial shield against market volatility and risk. Diversification is like having a well-rounded investment portfolio that can weather various financial storms. Let's uncover the magic behind this rule. So first thing is understanding diversification. Picture your investments as different puzzle pieces. Each piece represents an asset class like stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities. Diversification means not putting all your puzzle pieces in one section. By spreading your investments across various asset classes, you reduce the risk of a single investment negatively impacting your entire portfolio. It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket. Let's also talk about managing risks and volatility. The financial world can be unpredictable with market highs and lows. Diversification acts as your financial safety net during times of uncertainty. For example, if the stock market takes a tumble, having investments in other asset classes like bonds or real estate can help cushion the blow. Your overall portfolio isn't heavily reliant on the performance of just one asset. This is also big for seizing opportunities. Diversification isn't just about risk management, it's also about seizing opportunities. Different asset classes perform well in different economic conditions. When you diversify, you position yourself to benefit from trends across various sectors. So, whether the stock market is soaring or real estate is booming, you got a piece of the action. Now, let's talk about the art of balancing your portfolio. Diversification requires careful allocation of your investments. Financial experts often suggest spreading your investments across different percentages of asset classes based on your risk tolerance, time horizon, and financial goals. Now, remember, diversification isn't a one and done deal. It's an ongoing process that requires staying informed and adapting. Keep an eye on market trends, economic indicators, and global events that could impact your investments. This way, you can adjust your portfolio as needed and stay aligned with your goals. Rule number 3, start early and consistently save or invest. It's all about harnessing the power of compound. The sooner you begin, the more time your money has to grow. Consider this rule your secret weapon to unlocking the magic of compounding. Starting early and staying consistent isn't just a strategy, it's a mindset that can propel you forward toward financial greatness. Let's break down why this rule is absolutely essential. Harnessing the power of compounding. Imagine your money as a seed. When you plant it early, it has more time to grow into a mighty tree. This is the essence of compounding. The earlier you start saving or investing, the longer your money has to earn interest, dividends, or capital gains. Over time, those earnings themselves generate more earnings, creating a snowball effect that can turn small contributions into substantial wealth. You also get the advantage of time. To illustrate the power of time, let's compare two scenarios, one where you start early and another where you delay. Person A starts saving at 25, while person B starts at 35. Even if they contribute the same amount each year, person A ends up with significantly more wealth due to the extra time their investments had to grow. But you have to know that consistency is key. Starting early is important, but staying consistent is equally vital. Experts emphasize the importance of making saving and investing a habit. Consistency adds to the power of compounding. Whether you're contributing to retirement accounts, brokerage accounts, or other investment vehicles, doing it consistently ensures your wealth building journey stays on track. And this is great for minimizing regrets and maximizing potential. Imagine your future self looking back. You'll either be thanking your past self for starting early or wishing you had. Starting early and consistently means fewer regrets and more potential fulfilled. You'll have more financial freedom, options, and opportunities down the road. Adapt your savings and investment strategies accordingly. Consistency means adjusting your contributions as your income grows, expenses change, and new financial goals emerge. And there you have it, fellow financial adventurers. We've journeyed through the exhilarating world of 3 life-changing rules for building wealth, from budgeting like a boss to diversifying your investments and harnessing the magic of starting early and staying consistent. You're now armed with the tools to make your financial dreams a reality. Remember, these rules aren't just about dollars and cents. They're about embracing a mindset that empowers you to take control of your financial future, no matter where you're starting from. So, whether you're a student with big dreams, a professional looking to level up, or someone just excited to pave a path towards financial freedom, these rules are your guiding stars. Before we wrap up, let's celebrate the journey you're about to embark on. Hit that thumbs up button if you're ready to embrace these rules, and don't forget to share this video with your fellow adventurers who are ready to take charge of their financial destinies. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. Stay tuned for more empowering insights right here, and together, we're rewriting the script on financial success and creating a future that's truly extraordinary so other people can never work the 40. Until next time, keep dreaming big and taking those exciting steps towards your financial greatness. See y'all in the next video.